okwetomba itoko kwa bakuru b'ibyemizano bakorekera mu rukiko rwabo rwabona orushitamiro mu mbarra aho bashabira icyo kwataho kureba ngo barebe mu nshonga yabo ahabwo kuba nabo ngo n'aba science.
Sports officers mu Uganda basoma science, sport science nga course Makerere Ndejje Kyambogo Gulu. It's a science course. Mwana wakola sport science, baba wakola biology, chemistry and the rest. Baja mu university zino, era basoma bintu bya science, anatomy n'ebirala. Bafuma wabwe n'okola mu bya science. Kyanna ku nti government ba sports officers ebo musalo mutono tegwa ba science.
Tuli ba scientists. Eteka yayita mu 2018 nti buli scientist wali anofuna science skill. We are losing very many sports officers to education because guys are running from sports and going back to education to teach.
Ikintu cyo mushara gwa sports officers kufuna mushara gwa arts kandi ba scientists cyakiri ahantu gwa agenda omurukiko already izoba. Ikintu cyebishayi kubana ba bien coaching ninga mbabitahira because ikintu kitari cya sports cyakiri part of the agenda
kandi ebyo twabamanyisa ngo bakakabaho kwandika Ministry ya Permanent Secretary yahandika nabwo icyo tutegereze response ninga shogaruka mukuruga public service.
Ababongire bashaba government kubahereza za pichipicho kubahwera mu ntambaro kukoremeramo yabo kurungi okongera amamano mu kume bishayi byemizano mu za district hamwe n'ebindi bingi. Mukuru w'ekigombe cyabo Mustafa Nsubu gashabire commissioner w'ibyemizano Reverend Canon Duncan Zimugumya okusienshonga zaba abakuru bikwataho kandi commissioner aganise kwija kukikoraho. Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.